Jaaims app pricing explained what you get for your money. Jaaims is an investment app designed to help users access global investment opportunities with ease. Many people assume international investing comes with complicated fees, but Jaaims keeps pricing transparent and straightforward. The app charges a flat annual management fee of 0.5% on assets under management. There are no hidden account fees, and deposits and withdrawals are free. For example, if you invest €0, you would pay just annually for professional portfolio management. This fee covers portfolio creation, rebalancing, and access to international markets. Jaaims also provides curated investment portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and goals. Users can track performance, diversify across multiple asset classes, and access educational resources directly through the app. Platform supports fractional investing, allowing you to invest small amounts in global stocks, ETFs, and bonds without worrying about minimum purchase sizes. The surprising truth is that for a modest annual fee, you gain access to diversified global investments that were previously only available to high net worth individuals or institutional investors. Most people underestimate how much value this can bring in terms of diversification and long-term growth potential. In conclusion, Jaaims app pricing is simple, transparent, and cost-effective for anyone looking to invest internationally. By understanding the management fee and the features it unlocks, investors can make informed decisions and maximize their portfolio growth.